Why do best friends never take pictures together? Because I was talking to this girl the other day and I was telling her about my friend because I thought they would like each other. But then she said, oh, well, do you have any pictures of him you can show me? So I started looking through my camera roll because I've known him for a while, so I was super confident I had a picture of us together. But after scrolling for about 5 minutes, I only found one picture. And the only reason I had this one was because it's the picture that the Postmates driver takes of you when they deliver your food. I had it saved because the Postmates driver used flash to take the picture, so we looked terrified and I thought it was super funny. So I had no other option but to show this picture to the girl, and she was like, is that the best pic you got? Then I was like, girl, that's the only pic I got. Keep in mind, we've been friends since 1st grade, yet the only picture I had of us together was one that the Postmates driver took.